This is a quick video on how ad headlines have a huge impact on the results of digital advertising campaigns for commercial cleaning services, janitorial services, commercial carpet and tile cleaning. That's who this is geared towards, the commercial cleaning market. And what this video and blog is about is the top 100 ad headlines for cleaning services and the impact they can have. And just to start, this is why we use this wheel here, the Wheel of Fortune wheel, because this is how you feel about headlines, and this is what can happen when you run, especially with digital advertising, because we only have a couple of seconds to draw someone's attention. So the difference between a campaign bringing in $400, $800, $7,000, $200, all of these different things can be impacted by the headline because that's what draws people in. And when you only have 5 seconds, or maybe even 2 seconds on some digital platforms, that can make a big difference on the return on investment and the result. So our viewpoint is that, and I've done a lot of digital marketing and advertising myself, from SEO to Facebook, AdWords, anything you can think of, videos. And my viewpoint is to rotate topics because that's how we bring in the most people, is to rotate topics. One week it can be safety, another it could be employee topics, another time it can be your service mix, customer pain points that you're aware of, uh, about the owner, about your employees, that kind of stuff. These are all good topics to run in headlines to create off of these topics. And the reason is that the decision makers, they all have different priorities, and they all are motivated by different things. There's not just one topic that every single facility manager, office manager, owner is going to be motivated by. Some of them will obviously be about pricing, and we don't like that, of course, but some will. That's the big deal to them. But others, especially when you go through walkthroughs, this is where you learn about a lot of this stuff. Is they ask about training, supervision, where are you finding people? These are big questions. So that's why employee is a big issue to put in your headline. Something related to your training, or maybe you could flip it the other way, in the bad experience that they might be unhappy with their current vendor. Customer service. This is also a big one. I would put this in the top three because this is something, again, that you hear during the walkthroughs is, well, I call this company, they never call me back. So that, and they never get back to me, their service is terrible, blah, blah, blah. So that's why customer service is a big one. You hear this in the walkthroughs all the time when you're doing estimates and bids. So the question is, where should we start with these headlines? And a great place to start is simply by either answering a question a consumer might have in their head, or asking a question. And it's the simple place to start is where, how, what, and why. And that's all we're doing. We generally, in the digital advertising, only have around 7 words to use, depending on the platform. So we don't have a lot. That's why we want to start. We want to get to the point fast and furious. But these are 4 categories to get things going, to start the conversation. In the full blog, I'm going to go to our website, methodcleanbiz.com. We have the ultimate list of 100 headlines in total that you can cover. And here is an example of, this is our website, and here are 100 different examples. Are you looking for a carpet cleaner for your office? You're asking a question. And this can be changed to office cleaner, tile cleaner, it could be changed. So some of these specifics, like does your workplace carpet need a deep cleaning? And here we just list 100 different things. And I'm not saying that you're going to make millions. What I am saying is this is a good place to start because we're showing you examples of questions you can ask, and then maybe you can tweak some of this. Does your staff need to work in a clean office? That's a question. You know, the secret is out. We all love our secrets. And with these 100 different ones, you can just kind of scroll through. What we try to do is to plug in a powerful word, an emotional word here and there, announcing, introducing. These are good words to put in there. Are you discouraged? Discouraged in general. If you're making a statement, that's another way you could do is testimonials. This is another thing that is very powerful.